Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is method overriding in polymorphism. Object-oriented programming has four essential characteristics: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So polymorphism is mainly used with inheritance. In inheritance, child class inherits the attribute and method of a parent class. The existing class is called a base class or parent class, and the new class is called a subclass or child class or derived class. So this lesson will cover with polymorphism is the how to implement in Python. Also, we will learn how to implement polymorphism using function overriding or method overriding. Right now, what is method overriding in polymorphism? Using method overriding, polymorphism allow us to define method in the child class that have the same name as the method in the parent class. This process of re-implementing the inherited method in the child class is known as method overriding. Okay, so let's see with example. Let's say we have class. We are going to say so max speed, let's say 100, and we are going to define one function vehicle max speed is self dot max speed. That is very simple. We are going to inherit vehicle. This is a form of inheritance. We are going to define its constructor, car name, max speed. Then we are going to set self dot car name, max speed. Another method we have to say get max speed, right? Let's say self dot car name, car max speed. Now time to create an instance of these classes. V1 equals to, let's say, vehicle, okay, BMW, and we are saying its speed, max speed is 300. Now we have to get the speed of both class instances. One V1 dot get max speed, then similarly C1 dot get max speed. So we have the same name method into this form of inheritance. Okay, vehicle is parent, car is derived class. So this is a form of inheritance. In the inheritance, we have used the same name functions. That is called method overriding. Now let's see the output, how it will work. Okay, you see the basic vehicle max speed is 100 and BMW car max speed is 300. Okay, very simple form. So this is the form of inheritance. This is called a method overriding in Python with help of polymorphism. Okay. Now there is a other form of polymorphism. In Python, we can change the default behavior of the built-in functions. For example, we can change or extend the built-in functions such as length, ABS function by redefining them in our class. Let's see the example. Okay, let me create one more class, that is basic vehicle, bill of material even. These are the part of the car. Let's say how many ACs a car has, let's say 1. How many seats a car has? A basic car has 5 seats. Okay, we have another class, that's a child class car. We are inheriting this parent class bomb class. Then we are going to say this car has a screen, how many screen it has. The important point here, we are overriding inbuilt functions. So we have to use, let's say, length function. So here we are going to count our total number of bombs, right? The part of the car, let's say self, and we are going to, let's say, print count of our parts. Let's say count. Okay, and we have to return this. This is all done. Okay, now it's time to create an instance of a class car object and the total number of parts, let's say length. This is our inbuilt function which we have just overridden in the derived class. Okay, and we are going to pass on the b1. That's it. Okay, and we have to just print. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, this is some mistake. I think we can use like this, the length of b1. Let's run. Oh, we have done a mistake here, so this is not that function. Yeah, now it will work. Okay, Let's run the program. You see the total number of parts are 9. Okay, 1, 5, 3. Total are 9 parts in this form of inheritance. So this is the way how we can override inbuilt function in Python with the help of polymorphism.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.